Hello, my little sparklers. Welcome back to the merriest place on the internet. We just moved into this 150-year-old house, and in my video where I announced that, you said you wanted to see it. So here it is, an empty house tour. This will be kind of quick and dirty. We start right here, coming in through the front door. We have this gorgeous staircase, big old hallway, and going right into the living room. Almost all of the rooms in the house have a fireplace, which is awesome and I love. Big floor-to-ceiling windows, hardwood floors. The house was built in approximately 1870. We don't have a lot of information on like the original bits of it. We know which part was the original part and the additions added on. Going into part of one of the additions now, this is the family room slash study slash library slash soon to be my office slash Christmas tree studio. It is so lovely, built-in bookshelves, fireplace, more windows. Just outside my office is the downstairs bathroom. Cute little window up top, beautiful detail on the door. This has been redone, this bathroom, and hey, this has been done kind of recently, but it still has some of the old details or old looking details. Coming out of the bathroom is the kitchen that was recently redone. All the cabinets are open, we're just going to close those. Big kitchen, we need an island. We keep hitting our head on that light in the middle. This stove is so above my pay grade. It's a little intimidating, but very cool. I love the big farm style sink without a divider in the middle and a nice little bit of a view outside my kitchen window, dirty kitchen window. None of the house has been cleaned. We have a lot of cleaning and work to do, but I really like it. I also like that it's got this side area here for all my herbal stuff that I can put. Into the dining room, beautiful beams, another stove in here, not a full fireplace, but a stove. It's hard to heat old houses, so it's nice that those stoves are in here. More floor-to-ceiling window, not windows. Another floor-to-ceiling window and this really cool light fixture that we like a lot. And those beams, they're killing me. Off the dining room is a sunroom. I use air quotes. I've named it the shade room because it is completely shaded by trees. So kind of funny, but nice to have. A screened-in porch off of the shade room where I'm sure we will have a outdoor dining set. My husband loves to eat al fresco. Isn't that what that's called? I don't know. Anyway, coming back inside through the dining and kitchen, off here in the back we have a laundry room. Really big space for a laundry room is nice. And there's a mud room coming in the back door with this super cute lion door knocker detail. I know it's probably not old and vintage, but I love it anyway. Nice convenient mud room for coming in. My husband does a lot of work outside and he likes to tinker and do things, so that's good to have. And that is pretty much all of the downstairs. So we'll head back through the house and I will take you upstairs. Beautiful light fixture right in the hallway here, right before we head up these gorgeous stairs. They are narrow, they're steep, they're old, they're cool, we love, but we're careful. At the top of the stairs is this little hallway kind of thing here leading to the first two bedrooms. We're gonna go in the master bedroom first. Over here on this side, it's kind of funny, we ended up giving the master bedroom to my daughter. Not because she's spoiled and asked for it. It all worked out that we wanted a different room and she, you know, she's a teenager. Room to spread out. That room also has a closet, a real closet. The other ones have little fake closets. So that one's got the closest thing to a closet in a bedroom. Then there's this bedroom here off to the side. Eventually probably going to be my husband's office slash guest room. He doesn't need a lot of space. A few details here, this cool little hook and a fireplace. And then we have one of the weird rooms, not the weird room, but a weirder room where you have to step down into the lowered ceiling. It's very funny. You gotta be careful. My husband is like 6'1", so he has to be careful. And we have another bedroom in here. A little bit of a question mark space. Not the biggest question mark in the house, but kind of funny. A good space though, like we can utilize this space very well. Out of the other door of that room, see coming from the top of the stairs, we go across this hallway into this bedroom. This is our bedroom here. We turned this into the quote-unquote master bedroom. We just liked that it had 2 windows and the fireplace and has such a lovely view of our meadowy forest out here and this gorgeous tree right outside the window. I love it so much. Outside the bedroom is the upstairs bathroom. Very old and vintagey. I am, hey, making it over right now. There's husband peeking over there. This bathroom also has the coveted clawfoot bathtub with actual little claws on the feet. It's very cool. So vintagey, so lovely. Got a cool sink that has the dual hot cold water not mixed. That's an old-timey thing. Then we step into this room with this super cute flowery light fixture. This is kind of a storage in between room, and off to the side of it is what we have called the actual weird room. This is a storage room off the back. It was the last addition to the house most likely, and we call it the weird room because it's small, kind of weird, and there's a lot of writing on the walls. Somebody was really going through a dark time in this room, and there were a lot of feelings. That's pretty much the entire house. Being careful, we're being careful. Let's go back into my office and have a little chat. I think I'm the most excited for this room, but I'm really just excited all the way around because it's just the most magical and merry thing to happen. So excited, and I'm sorry I had to keep it a secret, but I didn't want to jinx it. Like, I didn't want to say anything and then something happened and it not happened, but we have signed the papers. We have brought a load to move in and we're here. And I'm very excited to kind of bring you on this journey with us of turning this house into our home, because I talk a lot about how every tree is beautiful and, you know, it's your tree, you should decorate it your way, and the intention behind your decorating and stuff. And I'm really excited to do that with an entire house. We're gonna be thrifting, we're gonna be estate sailing and auctioning and all kinds of things to find pieces that we love and things that we love in an intentional and slightly sustainable way, because like, I don't wanna just go buy, you know, some mass-produced thing. I want to find things that we love and things that are perfect for me and my family and our home, as well as floor-to-ceiling windows for Christmas trees. Put that picture in your brain because I can't stop thinking about it. Okay, look what I did, look what I did, look what I did. Aww, so little. I love it. Yes, there's going to be more than Christmas tree content, but that doesn't mean that Christmas trees are going anywhere. I'm so excited that we're here, and I'm so excited that this is finally happening and we can finally, like, I can let the internet know about it. I talk a little bit more about my intention and secondhand Christmas and these kinds of themes and stuff, the things that are very important to me in this video here. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate you. And until we meet again, sparkle on. Here I am, sparkling on.